Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, yesterday we
Yes,
discussed.
sir.
Yesterday we discussed about the binary file handling, and we have seen the two example programs also, how to read the data from the file. First of all, first we discussed about how to write the data into the file, and second program we have seen how to read the data from the file. Okay, two examples we have seen. In that we have learned two things, two new functions. That is the encode function as well as decode function. Encode function, what is the use of encode function? Can anyone say what is the use of encode
Sir,
function?
encode stringல இருந்து binary convert பண்றது sir.
Very good. Given data type, it will convert from given data type to binary format. Correct. Decode function.
அதுக்கு opposite sir. Binary to original data type.
Super. Original data type. Super. Nicely you said. Okay. So these are all the programs we have seen. Okay. And if you want to encode, two methods are there. By using encode directly, we can convert variables into the binary format. Or else, if you are directly entering the string, means it should be prefixed with B. But this the second format, prefixed with B, rarely we are using it. Okay. Definitely, we are going with the encode function only. But it is an alternate way. You have to know it. Okay. That's what I am teaching. Okay, reading the file again. Once we read means we should decode it. We didn't decode means what will happen? The content will be shown, but what is the thing? Before the B, the prefix you can see in the output. Before the B word will be, I'm highlighting this. The B letter will be coming. Okay, without we are typing it. We didn't type that, but automatically, if we didn't decode the message, once we read from the binary file means this will happen. So that's what we need to decode it. Once we decode means the original message, it will shown as it is. Okay, that is the thing. Let me go to the next topic. Yeah, this from the output. This file also we have discussed. Okay, this program also. This is the program for each record. It is giving 20 spaces. Okay, in the 20 space we are writing the name. Based on the name, the extra spaces will become. For example, each record means here the name. Okay, for each name they allotted by default. Each record size is 20. For example, my name is 10 characters means then rest of the 10 will be allotted as a space. Okay, why for example your name is 5 characters means 15 characters as allotted as a space. Likewise it will, we are adding the space, we added the space in this here in this part. Name equal to name plus size of the record minus len into double quote, I mean space we added. Okay, why we are doing such type of work? If you are asking the question means to keep the record in proper format. Okay, and next program you automatically will come to know. Okay, let me go to the next program, then you can easily understand why we are keeping the record size like that. Once we kept the record size like that means what are the advantages we are going to face, we are getting that, so that and all we will come to know it. Okay, let me go to the next program. I hope this program yesterday we done. Do you have any doubt on this program?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Let me go to the next one. Okay, this is the next program, accessing record randomly from binary file. So, how, for example, we store the data into the things. Now we are going to read from the binary file. Okay, how to read means randomly. For example, 5 names I entered, or else 10 names I entered. Okay, so I want to randomly generate the name. I want to randomly get the name. For example, based on the record. Random means it is not by random number and all. Just let me see the program. You can understand. You can see size of the record 20 we already given, because each record is contains what 20 spaces we given. Based on the name, the spaces will be reduced. Okay, 5 characters means remaining are all space. Likewise, we already stored into that. Okay, what are the fields we have seen? The last thing, Amit, Vikas, Sumit, Nitin, Sanjay. So the 5 names we entered. Okay, as per this example program. Let me come to the next one. You can see this num equal to, very clearly you can see num equal to int of input of enter record number. So we want to search the what are the third name. Record means here it is denoting the name only. Okay, please understand that one. Okay, record means the name of the student or whatever, employee or whatever thing. Okay, so if I want to, who is the fifth student which is stored in our database means, suppose I entered here, you can see, go with the example. Suppose they enter the I want the third student name. Okay, So I entered 3. That is stored in num. Okay, let me go to the next one. With open names.date. That is data file. We open the file. So that file contains the name. How the names are storing means you can see this. I'm highlighting this one, the last point, sorry. Not this one. This you can see Ahmed, Vikas, Sumit, Nitin. It is stored in the single line itself. It is not in the next line. It is stored in the single line. Okay, only one line. But what is the thing? Spaces are 20 spaces. Amit, then 20 spaces. Vikas, then rest of the 15 spaces. Sumit, then 15 spaces. Have you got it now? How the records are stored? And have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because this is the basic thing. Once you understand how the record is stored means, then only you can understand the next program. Let I go to the next one. You can see this. With open, we opening the file RB. So that is what reading mode. We are opening the file. We are opening the binary file. That is to be denoting B. Okay. So RB mode we opening as F. Here file handle's name is what? F is a file handle. Sorry, file object. Okay. File object is F. You can note down we are opening the file with statement. Okay, not with the normal method. We are opening with the with statement. Okay. Let you see the new functions here. You can see seek function. Okay, what is the use of seek function? Means seek function makes the pointer into the desired location of the user. For example, pointer means I already is file pointer. Okay, in order to access the data, the cursor for our language. Okay, for our understanding purpose, I'm using the slang cursor. Actually, we should use what? File pointer. The seek function will keep the file pointer in our whatever location we want. Okay, it will take one argument. Okay, that is the concept. The seek function will take one argument. That argument is what? The cursor, that is the pointer position. What is the argument means? Pointer position. Let I will explain it. You can see. F.seek. F is a file object for the file names.dat. Okay. So F.seek function. Seek of size of record of number minus 1. Okay. What is num? What is the num value we entered? Suppose
Names.
Record number.
Record number. Enter the record number person through 3 we entered. Suppose for example, as per this example, let we enter 3 means 3 minus 1. 2.
2.
Okay. So size of record is what? What is the value of size of record? Can you got it? What is the size of record value?
20.
Yeah. 20 into what is the thing? Num minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So 20 into 2. 40.
40.
Correct? No. So where it will, I already said the seek position will send the, you can see the command line.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
So seek position enna, sir?
That's why I will tell that seek function is used to, that's what I'm explaining this one. Okay. Sending the read pointer to the desired position where we need the pointer. Pointer means likewise the cursor, no, to access the data. For example, initially whenever we open the file, where the pointer will be there? Whenever we open the file in read mode, where the pointer will be there? Starting point, the cursor will be there, pointer will be there. Can you notice it? Because it will read from starting onwards the data. Correct? Have you understand, Chandru? That he is here. Okay, let me see that. Okay, for example, we are opening the file in append mode. Can you say where the pointer will be there? We are opening a file in append mode means. Nobody know that. If you are opening the file in append mode means, the pointer will be goes at the last end of the thing. Okay, end of the file it will be there in append mode. Have you got it? Have you understand, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So okay. So let you see this. So the pointer will be in, for example, it is in the starting mode if you are opening in the things, or else in upper mode it will be goes to the last position. Okay, but we need access in order to access the record. Record means I want the third name want to print in the screen. Then we need to move the pointer. No, then how the data we can access the data from the file. Okay, we already stored the data in the file, but in order to access, how we can access it? This is the only way in order to access a particular name or particular record from the file. Let me see this. I will explain. The seek function will keep the pointer in the desired location. That's what they clearly given in this command line. You can see sending the read pointer to the desired location. Read pointer means just pointer. Okay, we can read or write whatever thing we can do it. Okay, not an issue. Sending the pointer to the desired location. So the seek function will take one argument, seek of, in the argument space. Generally we are passing the argument, no. So we can pass one argument. It should be an integer, and next thing is what? It should be integer. Then we can pass the only one argument. Okay, that should be a file size. That is a file location, file pointer location. I will explain it. So we got 40. Okay, size of record. Let me come to this one. Size of record is 20 into num minus 1. Num, suppose 3 is, num value is 3. Suppose we enter means 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 into 20, 40. So the record will goes to the 40th position. I will explain now. First 20 position is what? First record. That's what we kept to know. Have you understand? I will go to the next one. Now you just remember f dot seek of 40. Okay, we are going to move the pointer to the 40th position. I will show the previous program for your understanding. Okay, you can see first record we entered plus size of the record minus L. Suppose what is the first record we entered? What is the first name we entered? Amit.
Amit.
Okay, so what is the length of the Amit? The name? 4. Okay, now
4.
so you can see name equal to name plus size of record minus L into space. That is what is the thing. Size of record is 20 minus L. Minus L means what? 4. Okay, len of name is, yeah, that is stored in L. So 4 minus 4 means 16. Okay, 16 into spaces. That's what name plus 16 white spaces or empty characters. Okay, so 20. Y means 4 plus 16. Totally 20 spaces allotted for the first record. You can see Amit storing the first 20 record. Okay, and next record we are writing Vikas. Vikas is 5. That's what? 5 character plus 15 spaces. And Sumit also 5 characters plus 15 spaces. Nitin is what? Same thing. And Sanjay, after that we didn't write. Once we write the data means again the same thing will be happen. Have you understand how the data is stored? For example, Sanjay is 6 characters. So what? How many spaces will be there? They take the screenshot. That's what we cannot see that. Okay.
14.
Not really? Yeah, 14 characters are there. Okay. Have you understand? So this is the way we stored the data in the file. Okay. Let me come to the next one. Let me come to our program. You can see this. We are keeping the pointer in the 40th position. That is 40 position. Let me see. First 20 is what? Amit. Second 20 is what? Vikas. Till the end of the Vikas, that is second position. Now where the pointer will be there? Before Sumit. Have you understand? After 40 position we read, we are keeping the pointer, we are inserting the pointer in the 40th position. Where will be the pointer? Before Sumit. Correct? No? Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me come to the next program. You can see now the pointer is in the 40th position in order to access the third record. Okay, then you can see str equal to f dot read, because f is a file object. Through that only we can read it. Okay, f dot read of size of record. What is size of record? What is the size of record value?
20.
20. So the next 20 character will be read. What is the next 20 character? Sumit plus what? Sumit is 5 character. No, plus we added on the previous program 15 spaces. So Sumit plus spaces. Totally 20 characters will be read, and that is stored in where? str. Okay, then we come to the, in order to make the correct position or not, to check it is correct position or not. Okay, give len of str. Len of str is 20. No, for example, whether to understand whether it is a empty or really it contains some data. Okay, For example, n of str is what? 20. 20 equal to 0. Is it equal to 0?
No.
No, condition
No,
false.
sir.
Then what will happen? It goes to the else part. What is the else part is doing? Print str dot decode. What is str stores? Sumit plus 15 spaces. That is a total record. No. Sumit is 5 character plus 15 empty spaces. Correct? No.
20, sir.
Okay, so totally the 20 character will be decode. Okay, because whenever we return into the file, we should encode. No, now we need to decode it. Okay, so str dot decode. Okay, then this is, you got it. Sumit is get printed with the spaces. Spaces also there. Spaces means not visible. Sumit space likewise 15 spaces are there. Have you understand how to access a record randomly or desired record from the file if you stored? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I hope you understand
Yes,
what is the use of size of record. Correct? No? Have you understand? The size of record usage, do you understood now? Why we suppose I enter the names bar. Okay. For example, if I stored in the line by line, one by one means it is easy to access it. In order to use the for loop and read line function, we can easily access it. Okay. Suppose I stored in the single line itself. How can I access? There is no other way. We don't know what is the first name space, what is the second name, how many characters, what is the character in the third name. We don't know. No. For example, by 20 is set as default means what will happen? Number of character plus white spaces. It will add. So totally the record size is 20. We can get it. Have you understand this? It is easy to move the pointer location to the desired location. We didn't give any input. Automatically the function is calculating. Can you understand? We are entering only one input. I need the third record. That's all. Then the function is, the program is finding the things and display the correct number. You can see the previous thing, which is Sumit is a third record. No, you can see the last, isn't it? Sumit is a third record.
Yes.
Okay. Have you understand this program?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So that's what I need from you. 1 minute. Anybody is added in the meeting? Inder is added. That's all, no? 1 minute.
That's all, sir. Kirba and Satish is absent.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let you go to this. You got this output. So these are all the way we entered. This is a previous program. So finally, it shows that. For example, you can see the next one. Enter record number 10. Suppose they enter the record number 10. So where it will goes, you can see this number record number 10. So num value will be 10. You can see num minus 1, 9. Okay. So 9 into 20. 9 2s are what? 80, no? 9 into 20. Okay. So 80th position it is goes. Whether 80th position, it is a space only. Nothing is there. Data is nothing. No. Anyhow, it will keep the file pointer in the 80th position. Okay. Then str equal to f dot read of size of record. So what is the size of record? There is no record. No. That's what size of record will be what? 0. Nothing is stored in str. So str value is 0. Then you can check if len of str equal to 0. Of course, 0 means incorrect position. Or else we can see there is no record. There is no 10th record. Likewise, we can give the we can make the print statement also. Have you understand what is the use of this if condition? How it is checking the correct position?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Let me go to the next one. Have you all understand this?
Yes,
program?
Sir.
Because why I asked this question again and again means this is a very important concept. Once you understand this concept means upcoming programs you can easily you can try to understand. Okay, because binary file is a little bit difficult as well as it is not difficult, very easy only. But once you didn't understand means that's what I'm saying. It will be a little bit difficult for you. And more than CSP, you want to understand more. Then finally, and before the CSP, we have to dealing with the pickle module. Yesterday I said that. Okay, that module you want to concentrate more. These are all the little bit underlinable area. in this file concept. Okay, once you can understand this concept, means that's all. You are a master over the file handling chapter. Okay, you can easily create a program. You can easily access the data. Okay, for your project and all, instead of nowadays we didn't teach the SQL now. So you already I think you may start your record project. Okay, start to type your code. Okay, once you send the proposal, then you can prepare the first abstract. Okay, entire detail, A to Z details about the things. Next week I will ask the abstract. Same wise, it's not, we cannot collect from form. You have to send to me the mail ID. Okay, because abstract contains minimum more than 5 pages. Okay, so you have to, you are typing in the Google form, it is a time taken one. Better you prepare in the Word, MS Word. Okay, that should be a formal alignment is there. Times new Roman font only you have to use. Font size should be 12 size only. Okay, all the details I will share in the next week. Okay, so in this required format only you have to send, because it is official one. That's what I'm saying this. Okay, let me go to the next concept. Okay, now we can see program to search for a name in binary file and display record number. Okay, we are giving the, I hope we are giving the name, and it is saying that you can see this output. Let me see. Number of records, how many records are there? Oh, sorry, this is not. Of course, we are getting the name. Yeah, enter the name to search. Previous time we given the record number and it displays the record name. I mean the name which stored in the record. In this program, we are entering the name and the record, the particular name is present and which record, which number of records, the third name or fourth name, like which the function will, the program will display. Let you see, I will tell that. Import OS. What is the use of import OS module? OS is a module. Okay. In order to access the file, we already discussed the OS. We already we import the sys module. Then next is the OS module. In order to get the details of a file, we need to use it. Okay, I will tell the example. Next thing you can understand. You can see size equal to os dot path dot get size. Okay, get size is a function. Okay, so the get size is a function, and where it is defined means in the path module. Okay, the module is defined in the path is a sub module. Okay, the path sub module is defined in the OS module. Okay, what is the use of this get size means file size. I already said, for example, I stored only one character in a file. What is the size of the file? Can you say? For example, I entered the character. I will tell you an example. I entered the string India in the file. Okay, then what is this file size? Are you listening?
5, sir.
How many?
5.
5. Because I already said each character contains what? It occupies how many bytes? What is the memory size of each character?
1 byte.
1 byte. So India is a 5-letter character, 5-letter word. That's what it occupies, 5 characters. Okay, so 5 bytes. That's what it occupies, 5 bytes. Okay, then file size will be what? 5 bytes. Have you understand? Have you understood by how the file size calculates the file size? Okay. For example, this is a known word. We know that what we entered. For example, they given a new file. We don't know what is the file size. So we have to right click and check the property. Then we can access. We can come to know that what is the size of the file. That is another one method. But manually through the computer, through the program, how to read the file size of any file, whatever file. This is the way you can note down this thing. This is a variable. Size is a variable. OS dot path dot get size. These get size and path submodule are defined in the OS module. Okay. For that purpose only we are importing what? OS. Okay. Records of size equal 20. That is a variable we are assigning. Okay. That we see import OS. OS dot path dot get size of file name we have to. Get size function will accept one argument. Only one argument. That argument should be a what? Name of the file with extension. That is very important. Name of the file. File name is the argument. Okay, here names.dat is a file name we passed. Okay, then what will happen? What is stored in the size? The size of the file. Suppose we entered what? 5 names, na? So 5 names means 5 into 20, 100 bytes. The file size is 100 bytes. 6 names we entered means each record we set as a previous program, same file only. Okay, 20 spaces means 20 characters means 5 names we stored means 100. No, likewise we can calculate it. Because it is known one, we are keeping like that. If it is unknown file means we have to use this method only. Okay, have you understand what is the use of import OS module? Hello, have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. I think what about the remaining members? I don't know what they are doing also. I don't know. Okay, let me come to the next one. You can see print size of the file size. For example, we are asking to size of the entire file. So we are asking to print it. Okay, next thing you can see numRec equal to numRec means number of record. Okay, in order to calculate number of records in the file, record means the sense of what? A number of names. Is it okay? Can you? Is it audible? My voice is.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before I think some problem is there means that's what. Okay.
Sometimes stuck, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, I will.
எனக்கு தான் சார் அவர் கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது.
Okay, I will tell from the starting. You can see print of, we are printing the size. Size is calculating the size of the file. Okay, what is the memory size of the file? Numrec means number of record. Okay, how to calculate the number of record? Number of record means number of names present in the file. Okay, how to calculate means you can see int of size. What is size value? What is the value of size? What is size?
20.
You can see size equal to what? os dot path dot get size of name dot names dot file data. Okay, that file name. For example, the file size is 100 means, for example, let me take 100 means what will happen? Size is what? 100. Okay, divided by size of record. What is size of record value?
20.
20. So 100 divided by 20, what is the value?
50.
50.0. That's what whenever you are writing in the Python code, whenever we are doing the division, definitely the answer will comes in the
Sir,
float
it's
data type.
5.0, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
He said
5.0.
50, sir.
Oh, okay, sorry. 5.0. So definitely what will come in the 0.0 only, that is decimal points only, it will come. Even though that both the values are integer means also, it will return in the form of floating. So that's what we are converting the form by using the int constructor. We are converting the explicit
Sir,
type
floor
converter.
division. So floor division will return the only
correct.
integer
That
value,
is
no, sir.
correct. That is floor division. Okay, yes, correct. It will return the minimum lowest in the integer value. That is correct. Here we are doing the division, no. So that's what it is returning.
Yes, sir.
5.0. So we need the integer value only. So that's what we are converting into the int. So now what is the thing? Num record value is 5. For example, if the file size is 100 means, okay. So 5 is stored here. Did you see this? Print number of records, comma, that is number of records we are printing. So 5 records are there. That means 5 names are stored in the file. We can easily calculate it. Okay. Next thing, we are going to enter into the main function. Okay, that is main function means concept. Okay, we are opening the file in RB read mode, and file object is fvset. Okay, n equal to input of enter the name to search. Okay, which name we need to search, that name we need to enter. Okay, that we got it in the n. Okay, then n equal to n dot encode, because all the files are stored in the Steam bytes only. So we need to convert. No, that's what n dot encode, that we are encoding the received input. That again we are storing the same variable. Okay. So now n value is what? Binary formatted name. Okay. Now you can see position equal to 0. We said that because we want to come to the next thing. Okay. Found equal to false. For example, these are all variables. Position equal to 0, found equal to false. These are all variables. Okay. Let me say that, let me see what is the use of this variable. For I in range of numRec. NumRec is value is what? Immediately you want to go to this. Where is number?
Five.
Number equal to
5,
what?
sir. 5.
So
Five.
the loop will execute how many times? 5 times.
5 times.
So 0 to
times.
4. 0,
5
1,
times.
2,
0 to 4.
Okay. F dot seek of position. What is the position value? What is position value?
0.
0. So it will
Zero.
set the pointer seek position. The seek function, I already said the seek function will keep the pointer in the required position. Okay. What is the position value? 0. The seek function will keep the pointer in the first one. That is 0th one. 0 means initial one. Okay. STR equal to F dot read of 20. Because each record size is 20 we given. No, that's what we are reading the first 20 character that is stored in STR. Okay, now we are checking it. Okay, if n in STR, what is n value? What is n value? You can see n equal to input of enter the name
The
to search.
total-
The name which we want to search, that is
Yes,
be
sir.
stored, and the second line you can see n equal to n dot encode. We encoded the character also. Now what is the n value means? Encoded name. Okay, so encoded name in STR, whether it is present or not, because STR contains 20 characters. Okay, first to 5 may be the real name. Rest of the things and all what we added, space only we added. No, so that's what n value, whether it is present in the first record. If it is true means what will happen? You can see print of found record at, that is and all we are giving the hashtag and all we are giving a print statement. Okay, found record at I plus 1. What is I? First time how the loop will execute? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. No, that's what I plus 1. Suppose first itself we required name is present. Amit is our required name, means Amit is present. Correct? No, it is found. So what is the thing? Which record Amit is? First record? No. So 0 plus 1, 1. Found record at 1. Okay. Then found equal to true. The value will be changed. Now we understand that. Okay. What is the use of position value, position variable and found variable? Okay. Then you can see position plus equal to size of record. That means what? Position equal to position plus size of record. Size of record is 20. Okay, position is what? 0. 0 plus 20, 20. Now what is the value of position? 20 is the value of the stored in the position. Okay, have you got it?
Yes, sir.
So this function will tell,
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, this program will tell what is the thing that we enter the name. The name is present in which record position. It is the first record or fifth record